How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be telling you all how I made $2,200 today trading, the strategies I was using, and I will even leave a link in the description with the videos that teach you how to use these techniques. I go in depth, so be sure to check them out as well. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's do this. First off, Costco, ticker COST. I took this trade. This was the first trade I took this morning. I called this out inside Team Bull. Well, I typed it out in the chat. I didn't get to call it exactly over voice, but I typed it out in the chat. I said, I'm taking the retest. Okay, now, I know you all have heard me talk about retests. I keep preaching retests. I consider these to be more high probability than taking the initial breakout. Now let's take a closer look at this. First off, we're looking at this 500 level on Costco here. We broke this resistance off the opening 5-minute candle. Then we pulled back down, retested here on this. We come back down, touch this 9 EMA. I picked up some calls here. Had a nice move back up all the way up to this 502.6. I got the 500 call options. This trade worked really well. A nice scalp. I don't remember the exact return I got on the contracts, but they moved nicely. Costco doesn't always have the best spreads for day trading, but it worked out. Turned out to be a very nice trade. Had a nice push up. I sold half my position. On the next push up, I sold the remaining half because I did see some selling volume coming in, some sellers coming into the market here. And I didn't want to stick around and give back any of my profits. Second trade I took today was on Tesla, ticker TSLA. This wasn't my level. Jay Dunn called this trade out inside Team Bull. I took it with him. This was by far my biggest day trade today. We took this for a simple orb. If you don't know how to trade them, I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description. Be sure to check that out. I pretty much walk you through this step by step, how to take an orb, which is opening range break for those of you who are not familiar. But we simply took it above the 734, 735 area for calls. I took the 740 calls, had a nice move up above 740, so it was in the money at one point. Very nice trade. I'm very happy with my profits from this trade. And volume, I'm going to talk a little bit about an orb here, but I go more in depth in the video. Anyways, we're watching volume for these orbs, and I like to see level 2. For those of you not familiar with level 2, let me pull this up. So what I'm watching for when we're orbing at this 734 here on Tesla, I'm watching for these bids to hold above that 734 level. And I like to see the bid size increase, and I like to see the buying volume coming in as well. That's a couple indicators I like to see. Remember, in my trades, I like to have 3 things telling me that, hey, you need to take this trade. It's got a higher probability. It looks good. It's worth the risk. And this was a perfect example of an orb. Third trade I took today was on AMC, ticker AMC. It does not get any more small account friendly than this trade. My entry, well, first off, I had a bounce level at 13.7. Some people picked up AMC in this area here, and they caught this entire move up. Huge trade if you caught that. Me personally, I did not catch that entry, so I took it above my long level, which was 14.5. And I took the 14.5 call for this trade. I walked everyone through this inside Team Bull on voice. I told them my entry, my fill price. I told them when I sold some of my position. Our final sell on this trade from this level here was 100%. Anytime you can get 100% in a day trade, you've done really well. I like to think of it like this. I know I've said this before. Where else can you lay down a $100 bill and pick it up minutes later and there'll be $200 bills? You're not getting that type of return anywhere else, okay? Just if there's somewhere else you're getting that type of return, leave it in the comments. I want to know. I don't want to hear OnlyFans. So anyways, we got in here. The bids on level 2 held above this 14.5. So okay, let's try it. We got in, kind of had a little fight here. When we broke out of this, you can see a nice increase in volume. When we broke above that 14.7, which was yesterday's high of day, if I'm not mistaken. We broke above that, had a nice move up. I think the top of this candle was roughly 100% return on them call options. amazing trade, super small account friendly. Our initial entry off that long level down here, the contract were $33 a piece. So if you had $33 in your account, you could have taken this trade with us. I did take a trade on GME. I'm not going to go into details on that because I did not announce my entry inside Team Bull. It did well. It did put me over 2,200. Honestly, altogether today, I had over a 3K day between my small account and large account. But on the 3 trades I showed you before, that put me at roughly 2,200. But yeah, again, be sure you check out the videos in my description. And for those of you that are still around, the July mentorship is still open. If you'd like to learn how to trade these strategies in person, well, not in person, talk live through like on the disc. We have like a Discord set up for the July mentorship. So we get on there, we teach live, we record them. You will have access to the recordings forever. You never lose access. It is a one-time payment if you want to check that out. I'm not sitting here trying to sell you something. I do these because people ask for them. Just trying to give back. Just be sure you check that out because I don't want you to miss out on that. I don't know how many more I will do after this. But yeah, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.